Hello, today in this tutorial we want to show you how to change the avatar, the look of it. So basically we have this basic avatar. You can also go here in texture surface and you can change it in white or this kind of net looking, but we can also do like that. If we go to property editor, you click on the avatar, you can actually click sections of it, so like the arms, the torso, the legs, the face. When you go actually on the face, if you go to property editor, you're gonna have body styling, skin style, and actually here you can select different faces. You can select Mara, Feifei, Grace, Emma, Kelly, Camilla. So you see here it changes the faces. Let's stay with Mara. Then you can also change the hair or the shoes, the color. For example, everything is got a texture. So if I go actually on the shoes, which are divided, shoes and heels, if I select them, then I go into the property editor, look for texture, and you actually can delete the texture, so they're gonna just be plain white. Then if I want it in a different color, I can select both shoes and the heels if you want, and choose a different color. For example, if you want them in orange, and you can also select the material type you want. If you only look like a metal or leather, it changes it. Then it can also be fun if you can actually select the whole avatar and you go to textures. You can select a different color if you want. If you want all in orange, or we can go to texture and select a different texture. We can delete this texture, select a new one, which I have it here. For example, if you want some prints or fabrics, so I downloaded some fabric images. For example, we can select this tiger, for example, and it goes tiger. Or sometimes I had then you can adjust if you want the face or different things in other colors. You can do it. Or if I want to delete now, I'm just gonna delete the texture and add a new texture for the hair, which could be polka dot, for example, or delete it all and change the texture. So if I only want this and I want it in orange and gray, it can be done like this. Or if I want to change only the face in white. Then sometimes it's actually nice if you, for example, you select this kind of texture, which is the arms, the body, the eyelashes, faces. So we're just gonna put the eyelashes and see how it looks on the face. It's just black. Or you can select something else like the arms on the face. It's just black. Or the eye on the face. So it's yeah. Last time I did something like on the hair. Let's see if we can go through it now. Texture. On the hair, I put the face. So you see, it comes the face at the back, which looks a bit disgusting, but it's kind of cool, you know. Oh, let's try it on the whole body. Let's see the texture, the face of the, oh my god, man, it's quite scary. Yeah, you can have a bit of fun. Like let's do it because it's a kind of horror. I need to set up not for kids for this video. So yeah, that's how you can change and play with the avatar. Sometimes it can be useful, you know, if you just make a one-piece garment and you can change the color for kind of fitted something, you know, or for tights or gloves if you want to have that kind of look. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.